Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial today. So today in this video tutorial, we're going to look into Facebook page management. So let's suppose you've created a Facebook page for your company, for your business, or something that you relate to, and you want to add a fellow member, employee, or someone to with your team, in your team, and you want them to also manage the page with you and look at the page, look after the page, respond to the comments, the communities. How are you going to do that? So to begin with, the first thing that you need to do is head over to your preferred browser where you've logged in your Facebook account. So here I have one and I've logged in into this. So once you're here, what you're going to do is on the left side of your screen, you would see this column, right? On this column, you would see pages. It will be beneath saved and above reels. What you're going to do is click on the pages and it's going to show up this screen. Now, what you're going to do is just simply go to Meta Business Suite, and here you would find your page. As you can see, this is a page. This is a dummy page that I created, right? So it smells good. Now, what I want to do is I want to create, or I want to add a member into it as an admin or as an editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go to the left side, and here on the bottom left corner, you would see settings, right? Click on settings and a new tab will open up. Now, what you're going to do is on this tab, simply go to new page experience. Click here and you would see people with Facebook access, right? Now what we're going to do is simply click add new, and once you're here you will see Facebook access means they can access this business suite or this creative studio of your page, right? Now what you're going to do is click next, and after that click here and type in the name of the person. So I'm going to type in one, and once you find that person, click on their name, and after that you will get this option which says allow this person to have full access. This is basically giving them the all-out access to your page, but we don't want that, right? In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to leave this unchecked, or we toggle it on. They are going to get the all access, right? We're going to toggle it off and then say give access, and then we're going to enter a password, so then we can grant the permission. Right now we click on confirm. Once you do that, now what's going to happen is basically it's going to send a request, and that invitation is basically going to be a 31-day invitation. And if the person accepts it, basically what they're going to do is they're going to manage the contents, communities, and ads and everything inside, right? So this is how you aid a person into as an admin into your page. So I hope you found this one helpful and you got what you're looking for. And if you did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.